Yo, listen up. If you're tired of hearing you got to grind 16 hours a day to be successful, if you've got kids, a 9 to 5, or you just don't want to be glued to a laptop all day, then this right here, this is for you because I'm about to show you how lazy people are making real money online with copy, paste, post, and chill. We're talking about working smarter, not harder. We're talking about leveraging the power of the internet to create a life of freedom and abundance. And the best part, you can start today without any tech skills, big ideas, or even being that creative. You don't need to be a tech genius or a creative visionary. You just need the right information, the right tools, and the right mindset. So let's dive in and unlock your lazy success story. You know, Bill Gates once said, I choose a lazy person to do a hard job. Why? Because they'll find the easiest way to get it done. And he was right. Some of the richest folks I know, they ain't building rockets or inventing apps. They're not out there breaking their backs. They're not killing themselves with complexity. They're doing boring, simple stuff on repeat. They find a system that works and they stick to it. They understand the power of leverage and automation. They're not afraid to delegate and outsource, and they're always looking for ways to simplify and streamline their processes. That's the beauty of being lazy. You're naturally inclined to find the path of least resistance. You're wired for efficiency. And in the world of online business, efficiency is king. You see, in the online world, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about finding the shortcuts, the hacks, the systems that allow you to achieve maximum results with minimal effort. So here's your first action step. Start asking yourself this question. What's the simple way to do this? Not the hardest, most impressive, just the easiest. Don't get caught up in trying to reinvent the wheel or impress people with your work ethic. Focus on finding the simplest, most effective way to get things done. You're not lazy, you're efficient. You value your time and energy. You know that life is meant to be enjoyed, not just endured, and you're willing to find creative solutions to make that happen. Let's use that to our advantage. Let's unlock that lazy success together. Let me introduce you to a game changer, a real shortcut to the online income you've been dreaming of. It's called PLR. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. In a nutshell, it means done for you digital products. We're talking ebooks, planners, courses, templates, workouts, recipes, and checklists. And you name it, it's out there ready to go. Here's the beauty of it. You can grab these PLR products, edit a few things, slap your name on it, and boom, you've got something you can sell as your own. No need to spend weeks, months, or even years creating a product from scratch. You can literally have a product up and selling within hours. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this even legal? Absolutely. With PLR, you have the right to edit, rebrand, and sell the product as your own. It's like having a ghostwriter for your entire business. So your action step for this chapter is simple. Go to websites like plr.me, IDPLR, and Creative Fabrica. These platforms are treasure troves of high quality PLR products just waiting for you to breathe life into them. Browse through different niches. Find something that excites you, something that resonates with your passions. Download a product that catches your eye. Then head over to Canva, that amazing design tool that even your grandma can use, and give your product a fresh new cover. Make it your own. Finally, choose your platform and get selling. You can list your product on Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon KDP, or Shopify. It's your choice. That's digital income without starting from scratch. It's leveraging the power of PLR to fast track your success. Chapter 3. Now, let's talk about platforms. Let's say you've got your shiny new PLR ebook ready to go. You've edited it, branded it, and you're fired up to start making bank. Where do you sell it? Well, one great option is Amazon KDP. With KDP, you upload your ebook, Amazon handles the rest. They handle the printing, the shipping, the delivery, the whole 9 yards. You just sit back, relax, and collect those sweet, sweet royalties. Or maybe you've got a digital planner you're itching to unleash on the world. Etsy is your new best friend. Etsy is a haven for creatives and digital product sellers. You list your planner on Etsy, and it's available for instant download. It sells over and over again while you're asleep at the gym or arguing with your girl. Passive income, baby. Here's your action step. Pick one platform to start. Amazon KDP is best for books. Etsy is best for planners and templates. And Gumroad is best for courses if you are ready to go deeper. Don't overthink this. Just choose one and dive in. Post one product this week, just one. You'll be ahead of 99% of people who are still dreaming about making money online. Chapter 4. Now, here's the thing. You don't just have to sell products. You can sell services using other people's content too. That's right. You can leverage the power of PLR and done for you content to build a thriving service-based business. Think about it. Social media managers, virtual assistants, and email marketers are out here charging $300 to $3,000 a month just to use pre-written content calendars, email sequences, or post templates. They're not reinventing the wheel. They're using proven frameworks and templates, and they're getting paid handsomely for it. So here's your action step. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, those online marketplaces where freelancers and clients connect. Create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Offer to manage Instagram accounts or email marketing campaigns. Find pre-made swipe files and templates online. Tweak them to fit your clients' brands and voices using the power of Chat GPT. Copy, paste, schedule, repeat. You're helping people without being a writer or a marketing guru. You're just a smart connector. You're bridging the gap between businesses that need help and the done-for-you solutions that are readily available. Chapter 5. All right, let's talk about social media. That beast that can either suck you into a vortex of mindless scrolling or become your lazy money machine. Here's another smooth move. Create a TikTok or Instagram account around a specific niche. It could be anything. Quotes, fitness tips, mindset clips, you name it. Now here's where the laziness comes in. Use PLR quotes, royalty-free video footage, and free music to create engaging content. There are tons of resources online where you can find all of this for free or for a very low cost. Post daily. Consistency is key when it comes to social media. Use a scheduling tool like Buffer or Metricool to plan your content in advance and free up your time. Finally, add affiliate links in your bio. Affiliate marketing is a beautiful thing. You promote other people's products or services, and every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to shop. So, your action step, pick a theme for your social media account. Use Canva or CapCut to create visually appealing videos and graphics. Schedule your posts with Buffer or Metricool to stay consistent. Find relevant affiliate products on platforms like Impact, Digistore, or Amazon, and add your unique affiliate link to your bio. Consistency plus traffic equals passive income. It's the lazy man's formula for online success. Ultra. Look, we just scratched the surface here. But if you want to automate more, scale faster, and actually use AI to do most of the work, then you need to take it to the next level. And I'm here to help you do just that. I put together a free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI and Digital Marketing. Go to theultimateguidetoAIandDigitalMarketing.com to grab your copy right now. In this ebook, I break down how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to automate your business, create content effortlessly, and scale your income exponentially. Look, Success doesn't have to be complicated. You just have to take massive, imperfect action. Start with one PLR, upload it, send that first email, schedule that first post, lazy or not. The money's out there. And if you stay consistent, the game will reward you. You're not late. You're just getting started. Now go get what's yours.